Torrential slide value equivalent to 305.77 rands a coin. The present cost range, 303.75–311.40. The earlier day close, 311.09. The change was 5.32, 1.71%. Backwards rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 316 rands, high 338, low 294. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost 310 rands, high 332, low 288. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 303 rands, high 324, low 282. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost 299 rands, high 320, low 278. And multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 298 rands, high 319, low 277. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost 310 rands, high 332, low 288. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 303 rands, high 324, low 282. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost 317 rands, high 339, low 295. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost 315 rands, high 337, low 293. In about 14 days, torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost 308 rands, high 330, low 286. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost 311 rands, high 333, low 289. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, May 19, cost 291 rands, high 311, low 271. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost 281 rands, high 301, low 261. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost 247 rands, high 264, low 230. In 3 weeks, torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost 256 rands, high 274, low 238. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost 259 rands, high 277, low 241. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost 278 rands, high 297, low 259. Torrential slide figure on Monday, May 29, cost 275 rands, high 294, low 256. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 284 rands, high 304, low 264. In about a month, torrential slide figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost 296 rands, high 317, low 275. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 299 rands, high 320, low 278. Torrential slide figure on Friday, June 2, cost 303 rands, high 324, low 282. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2023. In the first place, cost at 312 rands. Exorbitant cost 339, while low cost 230. The found the middle value of cost 294. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 296, change for May 5.1%. Torrential slide gauge for June 2023. In the first place, cost at 296 rands. Exorbitant cost 331, while low cost 262. The found the middle value of cost 293. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 282, change for June 4.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. In the first place, cost at 282 rands. Exorbitant cost 300, while low cost 260. The found the middle value of cost 281. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 280, change for July 0.7%. Torrential slide estimate for August 2023. First and foremost, cost at 280 rands. Exorbitant cost 302, while low cost 262. The found the middle value of cost 282. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 282, change for August 0.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost, cost at 282 rands. Exorbitant cost 282, while low cost 240. The found the middle value of cost 266. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 258. Change for September 8.5%. Torrential slide estimate for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at 258 rands. Exorbitant cost 320, while low cost 258. The found the middle value of cost 284. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 299. Change for October 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at 299 rands. Exorbitant cost 299, while low cost 233. The found the middle value of cost 271. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 251. Change for November 16.1%. Torrential slide estimate for December 2023. To start with, cost at 251 rands. Exorbitant cost 251, while low cost 196. The found the middle value of cost 227. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 211. Change for December 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. To start with, cost at 211 rands. Exorbitant cost 256, while low cost 211. The found the middle value of cost 229. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 239. Change for January 13.3%. Torrential slide estimate for February 2024. To start with, cost at 239 rands. Exorbitant cost 244, while low cost 212. The found the middle value of cost 231. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 228. Change for February 4.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset, cost at 228 rands. Excessive cost 228, while low cost 179. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 207. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 192. Change for spring 15.8%. Torrential slide conjecture for April 2024. At the outset, cost at 192 rands. Excessive cost 239, while low cost 192. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 212. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 223. Change for April 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at 223 rands. Excessive cost 223, while low cost 174. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 202. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 187. Change for May 16.1%. ZAR to AVAX conversion standard equivalent to 0.3270 coins per 100 rands. The present reach 0.3211 minus 0.3292. The earlier days nearby 0.32